still, I want you to set me free. I found another man who can give more than you can. Though you've given me everything money can buy, but your money can't hold me tight like he does on a long, long night. You know you didn't keep me satisfied. Setting sheets to lie on, satin pillows to cry on, but still I'm not happy, don't you see? Big long Cadillacs, tailor-made upon my back. Still, I want you to set me free, Mr. Daniel. Satin sheets to lie on, satin pillows to cry on. Still, I'm not happy, don't you see? Big long Cadillacs, tailor-made upon my back. Still, I want you to set me free. Still, I want you to set me free. I realize the way your eyes deceive me, together with tenderness that I still fall in. So take away the flowers that you gave me, and send the kind that you remind me of. Come on. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to me. But they're only imitations, like your imitation love for me. I thought that you would be a perfect lover. You seem so full of sweetness and a star, but like a big red rose that's made of paper, there isn't any sweetness in your heart. Thank you so much sa full band.